Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Cooler, illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Have you ever had a case of the hiccups that just wouldn't go away? Well, that's what happened to Skeleton. His hiccups were so bad they were getting in the way of his daily routine. He couldn't even hold on to the soap. He tried pressing his fingers over his eyeballs. He even tried drinking some water upside down. Nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Do you think Skeleton will ever get rid of his hiccups? If so, how? To find the answer to these questions, you will have to read Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Cooler, illustrated by S.D. Schindler.